Hello guys, the Nikon Z7 II, with its impressive 45.7 MP sensor, set a high bar for high-resolution photography. However, the Z7 III aims to surpass even those lofty standards by introducing a groundbreaking 60 MP sensor. This significant leap would place the Z7 III among the highest-resolution full-frame cameras available, making it an ideal tool for professionals specializing in landscape, architecture, and studio photography. The enhanced sensor promises unparalleled clarity, exceptional dynamic range, and incredible detail, catering to the discerning needs of photographers who prioritize image quality above all else. Balanced offering. Differentiation in Nikon's lineup. Nikon's strategic positioning of the Z7 III within its mirrorless lineup is particularly intriguing. Unlike the flagship Z8 and Z9 models, which prioritize speed and versatility, the Z7 III is expected to focus on delivering exceptional resolution at a more competitive price point. Rumors suggest the possibility of a partially stacked sensor, which could offer improved performance without reaching the premium pricing of flagship models. This strategic positioning makes the Z7 III a compelling choice for photographers who value high resolution, but do not require the extreme capabilities of the Z8 or Z9. Advanced autofocus. Autofocus has been a key area of improvement for Nikon in recent years, and the Z7 III is rumored to make significant strides. While the Z7 II was praised for its autofocus system, it occasionally lagged behind competitors such as Sony and Canon. The Z7 III is expected to feature advanced AI-driven subject recognition, enhanced eye and face detection, and improved tracking capabilities. These upgrades would make the camera a versatile tool for a wide range of photography styles, from portraiture to wildlife and sports. Speeding up the action. The Z7 III is also rumored to enhance its continuous shooting speed, potentially reaching up to 15 frames per second. While this performance may not match the lightning-fast speeds of the Z9, it positions the Z7 III as a strong contender for photographers who occasionally shoot fast-moving subjects but prioritize detail and resolution in their work. This balance of speed and quality makes the Z7 III an attractive option for diverse photographic needs. Pioneering video features. In the realm of video capabilities, the Z7 III could be a game-changer. Building upon the Z7 II's 4K 60p recording, the new model is expected to introduce 6K video recording. This enhancement would not only elevate video quality but also provide greater flexibility for content creators during post-production. Additional features such as uncropped 4K recording, improved rolling shutter performance, and potential ProRes RAW support could position the Z7 III as a go-to choice for hybrid creators seeking high-quality video and stills in a single package. Improved stabilization. In-body stabilization is a critical feature for modern cameras, and the Z7 III is rumored to take this to the next level. Reports suggest that the camera's stabilization capabilities will improve from 5 stops to 6 stops. This enhancement would make handheld shooting more reliable, particularly in low-light conditions or when using slower shutter speeds. Such an upgrade is a welcome addition for both photographers and videographers, enabling more creative freedom without the need for a tripod. Refined design and usability. On the design front, the Z7 III is expected to retain the durable, weather-sealed body of its predecessor while incorporating subtle refinements to enhance usability. Potential upgrades include a higher-resolution electronic viewfinder and a more responsive rear LCD screen. These improvements aim to provide a more immersive and intuitive shooting experience, ensuring that existing Z7 users will find the transition seamless. Nikon's commitment to maintaining a familiar form factor while integrating modern enhancements demonstrates its dedication to user satisfaction. Next-generation processing power. Under the hood, the Z7 III is likely to feature Nikon's latest X7 image processor. This cutting-edge technology could enable faster performance, reduced buffer clearing times, and improved energy efficiency. When combined with a higher capacity ENEL15C battery, these advancements could support extended shooting sessions, making the Z7 III a practical choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Pricing and availability. Pricing and release date are always crucial considerations for any new camera. Early estimates place the Z7 III's price between $3,300 and $3,500, positioning it as a premium model while remaining accessible compared to flagship offerings. As for its release, indications suggest a mid-2025 launch, possibly in the second quarter. Positioning and conclusion. Positioning the Z7 III within Nikon's broader lineup presents unique challenges. While the Z6 series appeals to hybrid shooters and the Z8 and Z9 cater to high-speed professionals, the Z7 III must carve out its niche by emphasizing resolution, dynamic range, and image quality. By focusing on these attributes, Nikon can ensure that the Z7 III stands out as the ideal choice for photographers who prioritize exceptional stills over speed or versatility. Additionally, by maintaining a competitive price point and portability, the Z7 III could attract a dedicated following among serious photographers seeking a high-resolution workhorse. The Nikon Z7 III represents a significant opportunity for Nikon to solidify its position in the competitive mirrorless market. With rumored features such as a 60MP sensor, advanced autofocus, 6K video recording, and enhanced stabilization, the Z7 III could cater to a diverse audience from dedicated professionals to passionate enthusiasts. These advancements would ensure Nikon remains at the forefront of the industry, shaping the future of high-resolution photography. As the photography world eagerly awaits official announcements, excitement surrounding the Z7 III continues to grow. Will it live up to the hype? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for the latest updates, reviews, and in-depth analysis of the Nikon Z7 III and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving world of photography and cutting-edge technology.